When you create great partnerships, incredible things happen. We pride ourselves on working with the very best every single time. Here's what one of our consultants had to say about our efforts.
I've had the privilege of working with Orchard View for about a year. The management team is very efficient and knowledgeable. They accept counsel very well and ask the right questions until they understand new things before making a decision. The commitment to excellence is impressive. Producing quality fruit, being an outstanding employer, and high operational standards are not the goal, but the way of life. Not only are they a pleasure to work with, the fruit tastes great.
Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. We're thrilled you had the chance to take a look at us. Don't hesitate to contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.